Every WASSCE paper has essays, and every student loses marks on them, not because they don't know the answer, but because they don't know how to write it. In this video, one method that fixes your essays in every subject. Welcome to NASIG Learn, free WASSCE and BACE help. This method works in social studies, English, economics, government, or any essay-based paper. Let's learn it together. The method is called Point, Explain, Example, or PEE. Point. State your idea clearly in one sentence. Explain. Add one sentence of detail or reason. Example. Give a real-world example, ideally from Ghana or Nigeria. Repeat this for every paragraph. Let's see how it works. Say the question is, state 3 causes of deforestation. Point. Commercial farming. Explain. Large areas of forest are cleared for crops and grazing. Example. In Ghana, forests are cleared for cocoa farming. That's one full mark paragraph. Key rules for every essay answer. Always answer the exact question. Use clear paragraph breaks. Write at least 4 solid paragraphs for full marks. And never repeat the same point in different words. Examiners spot this. The big mistake students make is listing points without explanation. A list gets you 30% of the marks. A paragraph with point, explain, and example gets you 80%. Always go deeper. That's the PEE method for WASSCE essays, works in every subject. For free past questions, model answers, and guides, visit nasig-learn.exams.letato.app. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Write better essays, get better grades.